Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to make eco-friendly paper bags. So guys, let's get started. So for making this paper bag, we need a chart paper, a steel scale, a punching machine, a ribbon, small sized papers, Fevicol, a scissor and a pencil, and some color pens if you want to decorate your paper bag. Start.
The procedure is take a chart paper and fold it from the center and cut it from the middle. So this is one part we have taken from the chart paper. Now take 2 finger space and fold it and stick with glue.
Start.
Now fold it once again from the center and leave some space from here. Now stick this part with this paper like this. Repeat the step. Now press this side on this.
This looks like this from bottom.
Now fold from here. Repeat the step.
Now we have to fold it as shown. Make 2 holes over there with the help of a punching machine. The holes should come like this. Repeat the same with the other side. Now I have cut the ribbon as per my need. Now take one corner of the ribbon and insert it into one hole.
Now we have to take the other side's corner and insert in this one hole.
Now the ribbon over this side looks like this. Now put a knot over this side as shown. The knot looks like this, and cut the excess ribbon from this side and repeat the same step on another side. Now guys, the bag looks like this, simple without decoration, but now we are also going to do decoration. Okay, then let's do decoration. Guys, for our decoration we are using butterfly of this small size papers, and now we will show you how to make a butterfly from this paper. Just fold it first, then again fold it. Now with the help of a pencil or a pick pen or a sketch pen, you need to make an arc from one corner as shown. Now cut the arc which you have drawn. The cutted paper looks like this. Now just open it, and guys, you can see a cute butterfly made here. In the same style you can make another shaped butterfly, just you need to cut it accordingly. Here I have made two butterflies of different shapes. Now we will be making a flower out of this paper. Just fold it from middle, then fold it again, and now use a pick pen and draw the shape like this, and now cut it. The cutted piece looks like this. Now we'll open it, and you could see a cute flower made from this paper. Guys, here we had made two papers, and this one is blue and this one is pink. These are two flowers of different sizes and different colors. You can make which color you want on your wish. Guys, let me tell you an important note over here for making butterfly or flower. Guys, you need to cut the paper from the joint part. Now we'll be folding it like this, and this will be our joint part. So we need to cut from this side and not this side. If you cut from this side, then it will be a single part, and if you cut from this side, it will be a whole part with 4 sides. So do cut from jointed part. Now I have this many things for my decoration, and I am going to use it. Now take the simple paper bag which you had made, and take its front side and stick all these things here. Now here I have sticked one flower, and upon this I am going to stick another flower the way like this. So now our flower looks like this. Now the body of butterfly is stick. Now we just need to make their antennas, and we are going to make them with the help of a pencil or a pig pen. We are making it in this way. Wow, this looks too good. Actually friends, this bag is very good as it is environment friendly and it is pollution free. It actually doesn't cause this pollution, so we should use it instead of plastic bags. So guys, our bag is ready. You can see how it looks. Actually guys, we had made this 2 bags yesterday, and this is of orange color, and the design you could see how it is. This looks too good. You can try this design also. So thank you guys for watching our video, and do like, subscribe and comment.